Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, friends, today we are going to learn about how to integrate Hugging Face models into your semantic kernel app, right? So, in previous video, we discussed like how to use semantic kernel and build, uh, plugins and functions and do like end-to-end automation. In this example, like this is very basic example of like integrating third party services, because by default semantic kernel supports OpenAPI and OpenAI service, Azure OpenAI service. So to add any Hugging Face model, we have to add this NuGet package here. And this package is like not fully released yet, still in pre-release. So you have to like select pre-release here, and then search for like Hugging Face. Otherwise, like you won't be able to find this package. So um, yeah, this one, 1.9.0 preview mode. And then once you add this one, yeah, so basically we need two packages here, semantic kernel and semantic kernel connector dot Hugging Face. So once we added these two packages, all we have to do is like in previous example, same way we have to use the API key here. So we build the kernel and then add Hugging Face image to text service here, and call this method and pass arguments. So we'll pass the name of the model on Hugging Face, and then we will pass the API key, which is basically Hugging Face access token. So if we go here, like this is my account, and you can see I'm gonna use like this image. So I just copied here and pasted it here, the first argument. And second is the API key, which I have added on environment variable using command line. So yeah, and if you want to access that one, then you can access it from settings, and then go to like access tokens, and then just yeah, create the new token. So I just created read only token and integrated it. So the next is like we have to suppress this errors or warning, whatever, because this is in preview mode and things can change in future. That's why like if we don't add this, then it will just show the error and warnings here. So I just suppressed these errors here. And then we will get a required service, so from the kernel. So it is like image to text service, and then rest is like regular. We just ask on the console command prompt, we will ask for the image name, and then based on the image name it will search on that path and get the full path, and send the image to um, you know to the Hugging Face service, and it will then return a description of that image. So it will automatically identify what this image is all about, right? So let's try. I already have some images here in this images folder. So you can see this is a cat, this some random cat image, zebra, some group of animals, fox, this cute dog. I don't know, like if it is dog or something. So let's ask to the LLM what is that one. So I'm going to run it, and basically the program will ask image name, and then it will describe. Okay, so let's see it. For some reason, whenever I am recording, this is taking time. So maybe it is good time to upgrade my PC. But anyway, let's wait for a couple of seconds. All right, it's running now. Okay, so it's asking for name of the image. So if I go to the images folder, you can see pick one, pick two, pick three, four, five, six, and this is city1. So for example, if I provide like ct1.png, we have to pass the full image name here, and then it's just, okay, a cat sitting in the middle of the garden, right? So yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. All right, let's try pick 5.png. Okay, a red fox sitting in the grass. All right, cool. Now let's try pick 6.png. Okay, all right. Yeah, I mean, what is this pick 2 all about? This is funny. Ra 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 ra. I don't know, but anyway, um, let's try pick 3.png. Okay, yeah, let's try the final one as well. So pick 4. All right, so it's same result. Like, I mean, if you go to Hugging Face model and search for the same model, this Salesforce, this one, you can just drag and drop images here and just ask it, like, this path, right? So maybe this one. Okay, so yeah, I mean, it's same result and approx taking the same time. uh, so yeah, this is all about like integrating this Hugging Face into like our existing .NET applications. This way, like, you can turn your any application into like AI capable application. So that's nice. I mean, we can even add any third party model here as well. So we'll check more, we will explore more in upcoming videos. I hope you liking my videos. This is my like first time attempt to create such videos. Sometime I may not be able to fully express, but I hope like you will be with me, and in future I will be creating more joyful and more useful videos, so that like you gain insights about technologies. So please like my video if you like it. Subscribe to the channel, to stay tuned for next videos, and please share as well. Thanks.